Muy buenas noches, mi nombre es Jennifer Laguna y voy a realizar la grabación para el video de la actividad de speaking. Copan Ruins, a magical place to visit. Experience on my trip. I had a wonderful experience. As a child, I always dreamed of visiting an ancient civilization. This was my first. The Mayan ruins took my breath away. We walked to the ruins from town. It is easy and only takes 20 minutes. All the beginning of the trail, and then through the park macaws are everywhere. We booked a guide, and he was so knowledgeable. He was passionate about the story of the Mayas and shared with us so many stories. Afterwards, we visited the Archaeological Museum. The people were so friendly and helpful and really enjoyed being around them. The town itself is so gorgeous and welcoming. There is always so much to learn, see, and do there. The Copan Ruins are definitely worth seeing. I can't wait to go back. That experience wasn't my last vacation, but I will never forget that magical place. Tips. The weather in Copan Ruins is tropical. Summer is more rainy than winter. Winter is colder than summer. The temperature average is like 23.9 degrees. It is important to wear an umbrella if it is starting to rain. You should pack your things the day before your trip. You should go to the airport with 2 hours ahead of time. You should watch your kids, family, or pets all the time. I recommend to wear sunblock and hat and sunglasses during the day. It is a good idea to visit the virtual museum of the Copan Ruins because it is really interesting and tell a really good story about the place. Also, I suggest I have a hot chocolate in the Copan Cafe near the place. You should be careful with your personal things. What you shouldn't do. People should take the basic tour by the old archaeological places, the Mayan pyramids, the old graves and the Mayan kings, and to end in the tour in the natural reserve called Ramstein. There you will find the most exotic animals and birds. People shouldn't separate of the group because they can get lost. You shouldn't take photos inside the pyramids, only outside. People shouldn't go alone or without a planned vacation because you don't know that city or touristical interesting places. Source: my personal info. Well, this is it. Thank you for your attention and good night.